June 5. What is on that day? And how many of us know the importance of this date? The world celebrates World Environment Day on this date. The day we celebrate to save our home, because we are in danger. We're cutting the trees and making worst place to live here. Increasing plastic pollution day by day, and still we are consuming plastic without thinking of consequences of it. A new study found that by 2017, humans had produced 6.8 billion metric tons of plastic waste. Of the total waste, only 9% was recycled. 12% was incinerated. And 79% was disposed in the landfills of the natural environment. According to the studies, estimates 12 billion metric tons of plastic waste will end up in landfills or the natural environment by 2050. This is our home, and it's have 7 billion dreams, one planet. Consume with care. Wake up before it's too late. There is still a hope. Together we can make a difference. Go green and reduce your carbon footprints. To save our planet, save electricity, save paper, save water, and the most important, plant tree. The 3 R can save our home. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Also, Prakritii has come with a solution to reduce the plastic waste. Prakritii is a manufacturer of 100% natural biodegradable products from fallen leaves, and this is the way to replace plastic. One step for a better tomorrow. Our world, our future, our choice. Let's take a pledge on this Environment Day to beat plastic pollution.